what do you guys think about a future in medicine?
Tough.
Difficult, tough. Challenging. Challenging. It's possible to make.
See that? So we didn't need an x-ray to look at that. Broken bone right there. Straight, 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 break. Straight, 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 break. This is the forearm bone right here. See, these are the muscles contracting right here. When you go out into the sun and it's really bright out, that iris is going to contract to let less light in because too much light can also be bad. Her cornea is on the outside, right here. This is her optic nerve back here. Do you see how it moves when she moves her eye? And then this is all that vitreous in there. That jelly we talked about. And then this is, did you see that? That's her iris right there, which is on the sides. Her iris is right there. And that's what contracts and expands to let light come in. But that's the cornea right there, and here's the lens, that little dome-shaped thing there. Do you feel any differently? Does it feel less intimidating or more intimidating now that we've been here?
Less intimidating.
Less.